Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide text message preview on WhatsApp on your PC. So as you can see here guys, I am on my PC with WhatsApp. And in order to turn or hide this feature, you want to click your settings gear on the lower left hand side and go to notifications. And here you can see under notification section, it actually shows you what you have there. So these are the two that you want to actually show, so you can hide these. As you can see here, it's when you click on it, it says show banner notification. You can simply click on that and choose never, and that's gonna turn it off. Also, if you have it on, for example, you can you can hide the option that says text message preview, turn off, and you will see that you can hide this, but it also will show for anything else on your computer. So if you want to hide that option entirely, just simply go ahead and choose the option where it says show banner. As you can see, click on that and choose never, and it's not going to show up. You'll only have the option where it shows the number notification from the icon if it's added to your taskbar. And that's all that you have to do, guys.